Hi there. If you are a user of Cloudflare in order to manage your web presence, there was a recent announcement. Cloudflare is now going to require AI crawlers to ask for permission to crawl the content managed by Cloudflare. Their goal is to start a trend and to enforce a permission-based model in order for AI to get access. This means now that AI bots and AI scrapers are now going to need to authenticate themselves in order to access a specific website for scraping capabilities. As a result, starting July 1, 2025, website owners can choose if they want AI crawlers to access their content. Currently, there is a level of Cloudflare that's free for the site that you have managed with Cloudflare, and other pricing is available. The process is technical for setting up a website with Cloudflare, and depending on your technical capability, you may require help to have your website placed on the platform. You are now looking at a website being managed on the free plan with Cloudflare, and you'll notice that in the controls you can determine if you do or do not want AI training bots to crawl your website. You can also indicate that here inside of Cloudflare, the default setting is to not block, and the default setting is also not to manage AI bot traffic with your text file. So again, everything depends on whether you are going to have Cloudflare manage your DNS settings, and if you are, then you're going to need to turn on blocking of AI training bots. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.